Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, some people from Ukl or said Oraina. As per my knowledge, he said Ukl. Came to Medina Munawwara. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ordered she camels for them and commanded them to go away. They kept on consuming their urine and milk until they convalesced, and after assassinating the cattlemen drove the cattle away. In the morning, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was apprised of it. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched some men in their pursuit. The men fetched them before the dawn of the next day. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders regarding them to cut off their hands and feet. Their eyes were also plucked out. Then they were thrown on a hot land. They would ask for water, but they were not given water. Abu Qalaba states that they committed larceny, murder, infidelity after embracing Islam, and fought against Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6805.